What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? Hey, what's happening, guys? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole. Yes, it's still Friday the 13th, and yes, I'm still my beautiful God self. What y'all doing? How y'all doing? Welcome. Today, guys, we're going to be doing our Ipsy Glam Bag X and Halsey. I don't know how to say her name, but y'all know who I'm talking about. So if you guys want to see what I got in this month's Glam Bag X, and if I'm gonna keep getting this bag, y'all stay right there, boo. Don't move an inch. Oh, baby. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'm very extra, I know. All right, guys, welcome. As I said before, I'm Tonyanicole, and welcome. Today we're doing Ipsy Glam Bag X. We will not be long at all, boo. I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I love you guys dearly. If you have not checked out my BoxyCharm base box, premium box, Ipsy PR box, all of those are up, so make sure you go and check them out. I will be shooting Glossy Box 10th anniversary box after this one, so be on the lookout for that one. Next week, we still drinking our little mimosa, boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Yes. All right, so we're gonna get some specs on the Glam Bag X. We're gonna unbox this baby and we're gonna be done, I guess. Yeah. So this is the Glam Bag X right here, my loves. This is the quarterly upgrade that will replace your Glam Bag Plus and or Glam Bag. Yeah, so if you get just the Glam Bag, it will replace that for the month. If you get the Plus, it will replace that. This one is a quarterly subscription that Ipsy chooses a celebrity to curate these boxes. The first two, I think this is the third box. The first box was the Teo guy. That's wrong, I'm sure. I know it's wrong. That one was okay. Khloe Kardashian, that one was okay. I think this may, if this, you know, depending on what's in here, I may be not getting this one anymore, y'all. You get 8 full-size products in here. The normal box is valued at up to $350, but the August box is worth up to $500. So we definitely gonna see if mine is close to that range, which I doubt. There's a link down in the description, guys, if you want to sign up for Ipsy. So without further ado, baby, let's get this box on and pop in. Boo, a dance break. Y'all know the rest. All right, we have our little box cutter, and I did receive this one maybe 2 days. Today is Friday the 13th, so maybe 2 days before then. So I'm only now getting to unbox it because I have to work this weekend, and I had a lot of things to do because I may be moving soon. Me and my fiance is gonna go look at some houses, or possibly, well, probably houses, and I'll probably be moving soon. So yeah, guys, I have a lot on my plate, trust me. All right, so this is the little paper we get. It's like a little newspaper that have the Glam Bag X with the Halsey girl, and the products are in the inside with the prices I will put down below. Y'all know the routine, right? Yeah. Okay, so I don't really remember. I think I remember 2 of my choice items. I really don't know how many choices we get, guys. I'll put it down below. But my first choice item was this makeup bag from Ipsy right here. Inside is nice and green. The outside is this nice brown, like snake skin type of vibe. I really don't like that this is a choice item. I wish this was just given to us like the rest of the items, but unfortunately it's a choice item. And I think this was the better choice item of the rest. I'm trying to look for the price of this, y'all. I think it's $18. Let's see. So this right here is, let's see, where is it? Jesus. Okay, so this is the Slinky Stasher. This is $18, love. So this is our first product, my first choice item. My second choice item was from Laneige. This is a very good product. I actually was very excited to see this. This is the lip sleeping mask right here. I was very happy to see this. And I have the shade, I don't know, but this thing is really nice. I had a smaller one I got from Sephora, and this one is the big size right here. Love that you get this. You get 0.70 ounces of product. It does have like a little tab on it. Smells light scented, and this is the inside. I do love this sleeping mask. It is amazing, and it comes with a little spoonula thing. And this right here, my loves, retails for let's see, $22. Love it. It says, thanks to Moisture Wrap technology, you'll nick cracks, flakes, and dryness all on your lips, baby, while you sleep. So I love this. Very excited to see this. Very happy to choose it. Now, I'm not really sure of my next choice item, so we'll just go through the box. This one is from Voltician. I forgot. I just said the word in my BoxyCharm base box. Volition. That's what it is. Yaupon Tea Glow Awakening Moisturizer. There we have right here. It feels very, very heavy. I'm looking for it on our little paper here. I don't see it. Let's see. This was definitely an ipsy choice. Ooh, the packaging is nice. You get 60 milliliters of product in here. When we open it, it has like a little, ooh, safety seal and a nice clean fragrance. I love this, guys. Ooh, look, it's like a jelly type consistency, if y'all can see that. Let me see if I can find this on the paper. Oh, it does not have a price, but oh, yes, it does. This one is oh, girl. This one is $39, loves, and it says Meet Yaupon Tea is being dubbed the new matcha. Also happens to be the hero ingredient in this moisturizer that energizes dull, tired skin in a flash. It's rich in caffeine to help reduce puffiness, increase circulation, soothe redness and inflammation, and give you a vitality boost. Ooh, use this in the morning under your makeup. It has a soft pink tint. Ooh, okay, I'm excited about this, guys. $39, and it looks expensive. That's what I like, boo. All right, guys, so next up is from About Face, and this is the Light Lock Highlight Fluid here. This I definitely know I will be putting in our giveaway box. This one is $32, and this is from the Halsey brand. Let me open it so I can see what it looks like. I'm not gonna take it like, you know, open the bottle. I just want to see what the packaging looks like. This right here retails for $32. Let me know if you've tried these highlighters before and your thoughts on it. I know I won't use this, guys. And we have the shade like, oh, it's shaken or stirred, like the James Bond thing. So this is what it looks like. Beautiful. Nice little mirrors on it. And it does have like this little pump thing. So I won't open it, but I will be putting this in our giveaway box. $32. Next up is from Herbivore right here. And what is this? This is a Blue Tansy face oil. Holy crap, this retails for $72, guys. What? So it says, forget what you've heard using a face oil, especially this one from Herbivore, on your combo or oily skin is a total yes, and I have combo oily skin. The clarifying formula uses a blend of Blue Tansy, I know that's wrong, oil, and the JoJo word again, to balance all production and soothes redness without drying you out. $72, and let's see what this baby looks like. Girl, $72. Wow, this is like amazing. But this is the packaging, very cute. Ooh, the bottle is very nice and fat and fancy looking. It's emerald, and you get 30 milliliters of product in here, girl, and this better make my skin look like instantly young as soon as I drop it on it, babe. $72? What? So next up is the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara right here. I received a couple of these already. I do like this mascara. I'm looking for it on my sheet to give you guys a retail value on this. And where is it? I don't see it on my paper. Oh, here it goes. So it's $24 for this, my loves, and it is in the shade Cause I'm Black, boo. Y'all already know what it is. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. Very standard Fenty packaging. I love this mascara. I'm gonna use it. So this one is $24. And I did locate my other choice item, and this is the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner from Charlotte Tilbury right here. This one, my loves, retails for, I know this is expensive, $22, and this is in medium, Pillow Talk medium. So when I saw this, I don't know if the color will work for me. Oh no. But I thought I would, you know, get at least one Charlotte Tilbury product since I don't own any. Packaging is gorgeous. And this is the liner. It's kind of like the ColourPop liner. The color is pretty. I'm just not sure I would get a lot of use out of this. So this will definitely be going into our giveaway box as well. And this one is 22 buckaroos. And our final product is a palette. I think everyone got this. This is the what is this? ATHR Beauty Moonlight Crystal Palette right here. The packaging is gorgeous. Y'all know purple is my favorite color. And let's see, it comes with a little card in here. All right, oh, this is a pretty card. Look at that. I may get this tattooed on me. Very pretty, love it. All right, guys, ooh, and this is the packaging. It is raised a little bit. I know you guys probably can't see, but it's kind of raised. And let's open it. Oh, wait, how do you open it? How do you, wait. Oh, is this like a cardboard palette? There is no mirror. They have this little sheet right here that tells you all of the names. Okay, this is the palette. It's a cute palette. It does go well with the color scheme. Like matches the outside, a lot of shimmers and matte shades. It's a pretty color. This color right here, these two are definitely calling me. And that one, I'm gonna go ahead on and swatch them really quick so you guys can see. That's what they look like on my fingers, and that's what they look like swatched out. Very pretty. I'm not sure about the packaging though. It's like cardboard. I don't know. Let me see what this retails for before I say what I need to say. And this one is $58 with no mirror. Girl, there's no way. Really? Vegan ingredients and a suitable packaging, crystal infused powders. Wow, $58. Jeez Louise. I definitely wouldn't pay $58, but the colors are very pretty. They speak to me for fall, so that's good. Okay, loves, I did make a mistake. I am so sorry. This actually is, I looked at the wrong one for this product here, the Hoverboard product. I was looking at this one, the Tansy one, but this is not that one. The one that I have is the Emerald Deep Moisture Glow Oil for $48. I am so sorry, my loves. So it says a few drops are like a warm hug for your skin. It calms, soothes, nourishes, moisturizes, and even protects from environmental aggressors. You can thank the hemp seed oil, root, and all of that for the benefits. This actually is $48, not $72. The $72 one, actually, this one would have fit me much better with my oily combo skin, but they gave me the one for, I guess, all the skin. I don't know, but yeah, it's $48, not $72. Sorry. All right, so these 8 products right here, my loves. So final thoughts on the Ipsy Glam Bag X. I'm not sure if I'm going to continue with this one, guys. It depends on what I get, who the curator is for the next quarter. It was just a little underwhelming to me. The choices were not as good as I expected. You know, they had the Tatcha primer, they had the bronzers that I wish I would have gotten, these little bronzers here, the Tatcha product. I don't know. I don't know really about this one, y'all. It was okay. I had been on the fence about getting this one because it looked underwhelming. I mean, it's a good box, but for $55, am I really using these products? Once I added everything up, my total was $263 for my box. So for them to make a big stink about this month being, you know, up to $500 and it wasn't even $300, it's kind of like, I really don't like the fact that this is a choice item. I think that a makeup bag should be given to us because it is in the other 2 subscriptions. So I'm not sure about next quarter. It better be really good or I'm just not gonna get it. I do like the sleeping mask. I will use this moisturizer here, the Fenty mascara. The palette was okay, but I think it's overpriced for no mirror and like this cardboard packaging, which I know is made from sustainable ingredients, but for $60, y'all know how it is. So I just thought it was okay this quarter. I don't know. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comments. And yeah, guys, I don't know what I would even rate it. Maybe a 2.5 to 2.75 out of 5 this month. Well, we'll give it a 3. It was okay, but let me know down in the comments what you thought. Let me know if you got this box or you just skipped it because you wasn't interested. If you have not done so, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this is the content you like from Tonyanicole. Share this video, share my page, guys, so that we can get more friends and family to join our group. And Ipsy's link is down below. And that's it, guys. I look forward to talking to you guys in the comments and on my next video. I'm getting sleepy, y'all. All right, loves, take care. Bye.